PSN stands for Product Support Notice, and it is through this document that Avaya informs its customers about the changes in the product. PSN can also be used to provide a workaround for a known problem, steps to recover logs, or steps to recover the software. Most PSNs do not require an immediate action from the customer. However, some PSNs might recommend reviewing documentation or how to plan for future changes. And depending on the context, the urgency to action for a PSN can vary. For example, in case of some hotfixes. What you now see on your screen is an example of a PSN. As you can see, issue 1 and issue 2, that means that this PSN was released by Avaya a couple of times. You can also see that Avaya released this PSN to address some specific issues, along with the workarounds, how to resolve, what would be the fix, and how to check if your system manager is impacted. If the PSN requires you to download a patch from support.avaya.com for the fix, this is what we will get to see. We see a very important information here. That is, if the action mentioned in the PSN is service impacting or not. This also tells us how to verify if the patch is updated and what to do in case of a failure. Let us now see an example where we see element manager fixes for issues related to DRS. So when this user tries to log into the system manager's web interface and goes to services, then to inventory, managed elements, and when they click on new, they are unable to see Avaya Aura Device Services or AADS in the drop-down menu, which means that they will not be able to add Avaya Aura to System Manager. Now this is a bug. And as per the PSN, this is the impacted version as SMGR is on the version which is impacted. Since System Manager's latest patch is 8 in this case, once we install the latest release of System Manager patch, which is 8.1, we are able to see AADS or Avaya Aura Device Services in the drop-down menu, and the issue is fixed. Do watch out for this space for more such content. Until then, goodbye.